Hello friends, welcome to Crusader Academy. This is Rupesh Jadhav. Today also it is Indian geography and I am dealing with Greater Himalaya. Uh, Before this I have made 3-4 videos regarding the Indian geography. Kindly go through it. One is regarding the different ranges of Himalaya and front faults, and before that uh, physiographic division of India and some basic facts and information about Indian geography. And let me tell you, this video is very much helpful for the students who are preparing for civil services, State Public Service Commission like MPSC, TSPSC, BPPSC, MP, PSC. Okay. Also the students who are preparing for defense service exams like National Defense Academy, then Combined Defense Service, and students who are preparing for central government exams like Staff Selection Commission, CAPF, ITBP, BSF, CISF, like that. And also the students who are preparing for have geography at their graduation level and at intermediate level, they can also refer this video. And let me tell you, it will be very much helpful to you because it is very much difficult to understand the Himalaya. So I'm making it in a very easy way and trying to present it in before you in a simple language. Okay, so let's start. So as I have explained you earlier, the sequence of Himalaya in a previous video. So on the other side it has Tibetan or Tethys Himalaya, then Greater Himalaya, then Lesser Himalaya, then Shivalik, and then North Indian Plain. So we are going through this Himadri or Greater Himalaya first. So the region marked by the lofty ranges of Himalayas extend all along the northern frontiers. Okay, so here of the country from eastern boundary of Pakistan, Pakistan's eastern boundary, to the border of Myanmar here. Okay, and Himalayas, the abode of snow, represents youngest and highest fold mountain. It is said to be the youngest and highest fold mountain, as I have explained you, and highest folded mountain in the world. So longitudinally Himalaya consists of these ranges. Okay, Tibetan Himalaya, Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya, and Shivalik. Now the Greater Himalaya, we are going through only this video, Greater Himalaya. It is the most continuous, it is most continuous and most loftiest of all the Himalayas. Okay, and also it is one of the northernmost Himalaya range. It has a core of Archean rocks. If you remember, I told you about the formation of Himalaya. So I told you at the base, there at the base of the Tethys Sea, there was first sedimentary rock, then metamorphic rock, and then igneous rock or Archean rock. Okay, igneous and Archean rock. So when the pressure was exerted on this, so these all crumpled to form the folded mountains. So it is made up of, it has a core of Archean rocks which are flocked by metamorphic and sedimentary rocks. So metamorphic and sedimentary rock. Okay, so along with we can say some igneous rock. So the average height of Himadri is near about 6,100 meter with width of near about 25 kilometer. So 25 kilometer width. Okay, so the average height is 6,100 meter, whereas most of the peaks exceed 8,000 meters. So there are near about 14 peaks above 8,000 meter, and near about 7,500 meters 20 peaks, and numerous or uncountable above 7 up to 7,000. Okay, so these are uncountable peaks over the Greater Himalaya. Okay, now let's see these peaks one by one. So here I have some top 10 peaks of Himalayan mountain range. Okay, it is overall Himalayas top 10 peaks. So number 1 is Mount Everest with 8,851 meter. Then number 2 is K2, that is 8611 meter. Number 3 is Kanchenjunga with 8596 meter. Number 4 is Lhotse with 8,591 meter. Number 5 Makalu with 8,481 meter. Number 6 Dholgiri with 8,167 meter. Number 7 Manaslu with 8,156 meter. Number 8 Choyu with 8,153 meter. Number 9 Nanga Parbat with 8,126 meter, and number 10 it is Annapurna with 8,098 meter. Here the sequence I have given is in descending order. Okay, but let me tell you, this peak K2 with 8611 meter, which is said to be the highest peak of India. Okay, it is the highest peak of India, but it lies in POK. So this is of Tibet or Tethys Himalaya. It belongs to Tibet or Tethys Himalaya. Whereas if which is the highest peak of India, either K2 but it is in POK, or otherwise Kanchenjunga, which is in Sikkim. Okay, so another most important point is that the spread of Himalaya, it spread from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. So it is here from J&K to Arunachal Pradesh, if we talk about the state wise. Otherwise it has spread from the gorge of Indus to Brahmaputra valley. Also it has been spreading from this Nanga Parbat till Namcha Barwa here. Namcha Barwa. Okay. So it spread from Nanga Parbat to Namcha Barwa. The height of Namcha Barwa is 7756 meter, and the height of the Nanga Parbat is, here it is given, 8,126 meter. Okay, so in this way the Himalaya is spread from west to east, and it contains many passes. Another most important feature here is it has many passes. Okay, so passes on one side and state on other side. For example, if those passes are not there, it will be impossible for a person to move from this to this side, okay, or from this to this side. So the famous passes are Burzila and Zojila, which is in J&K. Then the another important pass is Baralapchala. La means pass, and Shipkila. La means pass. It is in Himachal Pradesh. Then in Uttarakhand we have 3 passes. Those are Fagala, then Nitila, and then Lipu Lake. So La means pass. La word means pass. Okay, La means passes. Then in Sikkim we have Jelepla and Nathula. These are some important passes which we have in this greater Himalaya. Then another important feature is that the Hindustan-Tibet road, which joined Shimla here with Gangatok somewhere here. So it is joined by Hindustan-Tibet road in this way. So this is what Hindustan-Tibet road. Hindustan-Tibet road, which passes through the pass known as Nitila in here. Nitila or Niti Pass. Oh, sorry, not Nitila, it is a Shipkila. I'm sorry, it is Shipkila. Oh, it passes through Shipkila. Which is in Satluj Valley. Okay. And in the same way there is another trade route which joined Kalimpong, which is here in West Bengal, Kalimpong, with Lhasa which is the capital of Tibet. So Kalimpong to Lhasa, which goes through what we say that Chumbi Valley, there is a Jelepla, okay, the pass which is Jelepla. So it passes through Jelepla Pass in Chumbi Valley. Okay, so this Shipkila is in Satluj Valley, while this Jelepla is in Chumbi Valley. Okay, so this is about the some routes which passes through this two important passes. Then another drastic feature is that here we find some glaciers. So some important glaciers here which we found is Gangotri, then Yamunotri, Yamunotri, then what we say Milan and Kumaon. Milan in Kumaon Himalaya, sorry, and Zemu in Sikkim. So these are some important glaciers we found here. Okay, and between Himadri and Himachal there exists the famous Valley of Kashmir. Valley of Kashmir, which lies between these two ranges, which is a synclinal valley. This is a synclinal valley. Okay, and once a bed of a great lake, so it is said to be enclosed by Pirpa in south and Great Himalaya in north. So the Kashmir Valley is transferred, and here the river which flows is Jhelum. So the main important river which flows from here is Jhelum River. Okay, so try to understand. This side we have Jhelum River, and this side it is Indus River. Indus and Jhelum. Between this greater Himalaya lies. The Kashmir Valley, near the Kashmir Valley there is Dal Lake. You might have heard about that lake, Dal Lake, which is near Srinagar. Okay, and this Jhelum River flows through this Dal Lake, depositing its sediment in this Dal Lake. Okay, so this was all about the Greater Himalaya. I tried to simplify it in a very simple way and easy way to understand, so that you people should understand what is it exactly. So this was all about Greater Himalaya, and I hope you like this video. So if you like it, please give like to my video. Also put comment in comment box. Share this video to your friends, neighbors and relatives who are preparing for civil services and who have this topic in their syllabus or for study. And also please subscribe my channel Crusader Tea Guardian. And next video I will be making on the other parts of Himalaya. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel Crusader Tea Guardian. Thank you very much.